Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix CS2 VAC was unable to verify your game session error. Okay, first things first, open your Steam launcher and select CS2 from the game library. Right-click then the game to access its properties. After that, navigate to the installed files tab in the left side panel. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to complete. Exit then Steam and end processes. Just close Steam by selecting the Steam tab in the upper left corner and choosing Exit. Open your Task Manager and here in the Details tab, click anywhere inside the list to activate it. Press S to locate processes starting with S and find and right-click on processes related to Steam. Then, select End Process. And as simple as it is, hopefully this helps in solving your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix CS2 VAC was unable to verify your game session error. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!